Hi, folks. A farm isn't complete without a rooster crowing first thing in the morning. They make great alarm clocks. Of course, they crow all day long, too, except when you want them to. Our rooster was being as stubborn as Fred the donkey. Come on, crow. Come on, you can do it. Come on, rooster. Crow for me. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Finally, on the last night that Jesus was with his disciples, before being arrested and crucified, Jesus told his disciples that they would all run off and leave him that very night. Peter, one of his closest disciples, said, "Well, he would never do that, even if he had to die with Jesus." Jesus told Peter that before the rooster crowed in the morning, Peter would deny even knowing Jesus, not once, but 3 times. Peter said, "Oh no, I would never do that." But guess what? That's exactly what Peter did. While Jesus was on trial at the high priest's house, Peter was outside in the courtyard. 3 times people accused him of being one of Jesus' disciples, and 3 times Peter said, "I don't even know him." The last time he swore that he didn't know Jesus, the rooster crowed, and Jesus turned and looked at Peter and remembered. Then Peter remembered what Jesus had said about him denying Jesus. Peter was ashamed and heartbroken at what he had done to his teacher and friend, and he began to sob and cry with bitter tears. On this Holy Week, let's stop and think of the times we might have denied knowing Jesus. Maybe we didn't tell someone that we believe in Jesus because we were afraid of being laughed at. Or maybe we chose to act like we weren't Christians so we would fit in with the crowd. Or maybe we didn't show love to someone who needed help or an encouraging word. Every time we do something like that, we are denying that we know Jesus. Let's ask Jesus to forgive us for not standing up with him. He loves us so much that he will be quick to forgive us, just like he forgave Peter and used him to build his church. Join me tomorrow for another Holy Week lesson from the farm. See you.